Hey everyone, welcome back to Glammy Gal, and today's video is going to be a swatch and review of my Colourpop Ultra Matte liquid lipsticks from Colourpop. So these run for around $6 each, and obviously they don't ship internationally worldwide. They do ship I think to Australia and New Zealand and maybe UK. So yeah, not many places they ship internationally. I had my friend order it for me and she was kind enough to courier it to me, so that's how I got my hands on it. But if you're in India, there are quite a few resellers on Instagram. Like I know a few, I'm like maybe 2 or 3. I'm going to list them down, you can check that out. Obviously you're not going to get them at the same price. I think they sell these for around 600-700 rupees, maybe 700. Yeah, I think close to that. I have 4 of these. So they are Bumble, this is what, First Class, Mars and More Better. I have used More Better in one of my videos earlier that I did. I think it was the Valentine's look. I'm going to link it so you can check that out. Of course I'm going to be reviewing it here also. The thing about Colourpop Ultra Matte lipsticks is that I have 4 of them and all of them have like different formula, and like I have to review them each separately. It seems like that. So all 4 of them are very pigmented. You don't need too much product to layer on, and if you do apply too much of it, then you are going to not get an even application. So even if you want like a darker look out of any of these lipstick, it's best to let one layer dry properly and then add another layer to it. So let's begin. I'm going to start by Bumble. So this is how Bumble looks on me. It's like a mauvey nude kind of a lipstick, and it has already almost dried. It doesn't take too long to dry. So now let's do a kiss test. So just a very teeny tiny amount and not much here actually. It is actually transfer proof, but that being said, I found Bumble to be very drying on the lips. Even as it goes with any liquid lipstick, you are supposed to exfoliate your lips before applying any of the liquid lipsticks, and with Colourpop, even after exfoliation, I feel they are very drying on the lips. So either you apply like a very creamy lip liner underneath, or a lip balm should do. Are like very long wearing. I get like, even through meals, these survived me. I've used this several times already, and I actually love this color so much. It is so complimentary for Indian skin tones. And I'm going to apply Mars on my lips and I'll get back to you. Mars looks on me. Same thing with this also. This I had to just take the product out just once from the tube, and I could get like an even application all over my lips, and it has covered my lips, and it is dry also, and it is now dry. So let's do a kiss test for this also. So again, this is transfer proof, and of course it is also drying on the lips. So yeah, that's the thing with these lipsticks. They are pretty drying on the lips, but the color is so pretty. The colors are so good. Next up is More Better, and this one I've already used once and I love this color. Okay, so this is more better on me, and it's a very deep berry lipstick and I really like it. I actually like all 4 lipsticks that I picked up. They are different, and in fact even the applicator is a standard doe foot applicator for these. So this is the applicator for the lipsticks, and as you can see at the tip, it is just a little bit slanted, so that is why it gives a nice tip for you to apply your lipstick. So again, I did not have to go twice into the lipstick, and now that this has dried completely, let me give this a kiss test. Oh my god, I'm not able to say kiss test. You can't say kiss test, but yeah. So okay, I'm just going to give this like a quick kiss test. So as you can see, there is a little bit of a transfer, not too much but just a little bit, and this one is surprisingly not, I don't feel dry, like I don't have a lip balm underneath, but still this one does not feel dry, it does not look dry, nothing whatsoever, because this was the first one that I tried and I really liked this because I had heard about Colourpop Ultra Matte lipsticks being dry, so I was kind of expecting that. But with this one, I did not feel like that. So moving on to the last color that I have, and this one is called First Class. And as you can see, First Class is a neon bright orange lipstick. I like the color, but again, it's drying on the lips. And this one took a tad bit longer than the others to dry out, and I can actually feel it to be very drying on the lips. So again, the same thing, I have not applied any lip balm underneath, that is why it is more drying. And again with this, there's a teeny tiny bit of a transfer, nothing much. For the price, I will give Colourpop Ultra Matte lipsticks double thumbs up, and I like the color variety also. Now I feel I should have picked up more, but there's always next time. I'm going to buy more of these Colourpop Ultra Matte lipsticks. I would say I really like them. Of course they're drying, but nothing like a lip balm cannot resolve. And my favorite color of the 4 has to be Bumble. I really love it, even though this is the driest of all of these what I have, but I actually really love Bumble on me. So Bumble is my favorite. So that's that. These are my Colourpop Ultra Matte lipsticks, and I'm going to be writing a blog post with a detailed swatches and pictures, and I think that's that. So that's all for this video guys. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.